Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be working on a DIY Anakra lampshade. For this project, I'm using a lampshade that I got from Home Goods, as well as leftover Anakra wax print fabric that I originally got from Joann's Fabrics, tacky glue, and scissors. So this project is pretty simple. I'm just taking the fabric and I'm cutting it down to about 1/3 of a yard, which is maybe around 36 inches long and maybe 18 inches wide. And I made it a little wider on the side so that way I have room to cut the fabric down to around the lampshade itself. And then I'm just going to use the glue to stick the fabric to the lampshade and then kind of fold over the leftover fabric inside of the lampshade to make a nice border. So as you can see here, as I'm starting to cut the fabric within the lampshade, I'm being careful to go near where the wires are that go over the light bulb, and making sure I'm cutting little slits so that way the fabric goes around those metal areas as I'm starting to glue it down. And here it is. Here is my DIY African inspired Anakra lampshade. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If so, please leave me a comment. If you want to help support this channel and see it continue to grow, please be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you again for watching.